Okay, in this video we're going to talk about basic derivatives, and again these are the derivatives that are listed in the basic derivative formulas. Okay, so to start off with, recall the differentiation or derivative of 13. Again, any number, the derivative of any number is basically just 0, as simple as that. In the second example, we've got a derivative of x to the power 3. So what we do is bring that power next to the x, next to the variable, and take 1 from the original power. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Again, in this example, derivative of square root of 26. But hey, this is actually a number, so just like 13, so the derivative of that would be 0. In the next example, we've got derivative of square root of x. Now this is different because x is a variable, not a constant, so you're dealing with a variable here. So what we usually do is change the formula of the form of the surd, because we want to put it in the power form. Variable to the power, not in a surd form. So square root of any variable is to the power half. So now after we change the power, we take the derivative of that power. So what we do is again bring that power next to the x and subtract 1 from the halves, and subtract 1 from half is literally by subtracting 1 over 2 minus 2 over 2, and that would be minus 1 over 2. You can actually rewrite that down. This is actually correct, but usually in maths what you do is you try to make the power to the positive form. So what we do is just rewrite it x 1 over x to the power half. So that would be the answer. Half times 1 over x to the power half, because we want to put it in a positive form. Again, you can, if you want to, but that's not necessary. If you want to, you can just put it back in the surd form, which is going to be 1 over 2 x square root of x. Either way is fine. The last example we've got here is 5x all to the square, all squared. Now here it's actually different, because what we do first is we distribute the power inside of what's in the parentheses. So squared of 5 squared is 25, and x obviously is going to be x squared. So the derivative of 25x squared, and that would be again, we'll bring that power down next to the x, so it's going to be 25 times 2, which is 50, and then take 1 from the power of x, so it's going to be 50x. You can actually use the chain and the product rule, but we're going to talk about this in later videos. So yeah, that was it.